Now we'll solve question number 19, exercise 4.2. This term and this term is, we will combine these both terms. X square plus 1 by x square and simple x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x and minus 4 equal to 0. Now this time we will put bracket and this is only term, and this term will make this type of term this by, if we consider this term, let x plus 1 by x is equal to y. First of all, we'll consider this term. Now by taking square on both sides, what we get? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus 2ab plus b square. We can write this in the form of this and this. It is our own choice, but the condition is given. So here we will use this condition by taking square. First of all, we'll take square on both sides. Now a plus b whole square, this is a square plus b square, b is 1 by x square plus 2 a into b, a is x and b is 1 by x is equal to y square. Now x square plus 1 square is 1 and x square is x square plus x and x cancel, 2 is equal to y square. Here we can see that this is x square plus 1 by x square. So x square plus 1 by x square is equal to y square. Positive 2 becomes negative 2. So we will use x plus 1 by x is equal to y, this value and this value. Y will take square, so we will find the value of this term. Now we will find the value of this term. X square plus 1 by x square, what we will write? Y square minus, here what we will write? X square plus 1 by x is equal to y square minus 2. So instead of x square plus y square, we will write y square minus 2 plus x plus 1 by x is equal to y and minus 4, x square plus 1 by x is equal to y square minus 2, we will write plus x plus 1 by x, we consider y, so we will write y and minus 4 as it is equal to 0. Now we can see that the equation become easier. Y square plus y minus 2 minus 4 minus minus plus 4 plus 2 6 sign minus 6 equal to 0. Now we make the factor of 6. 2 3s are 6 plus 3 minus 2. So y square, we will write greater value with positive sign because this is positive. So plus 3y minus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. Now we'll take common from these two pair. Y, 1y is left plus y is common, 3 is left. Now we'll take common minus 2 because this is positive sign. Second term with positive, so we'll take negative 2 common. So when we take common minus, this minus become positive. Minus minus plus 2 1s are 2. y is left. Minus minus plus 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2 equal to 0. Y plus 3 and y minus 2 equal to 0. First of all, we write y plus 3 equal to 0. Y positive 3 become negative 3. And next time we'll take y minus 2 equal to 0. Y minus 2 become positive 2. Now we consider y as x plus 1 by x, so we'll put x plus 1 by x instead of y. So first of all, take x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 3, and next time take x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. So put y is equal to x plus 1 by x. First time we'll take x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 3, and next time we'll take x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. Now we'll take LCM. X is LCM, so we'll multiply each term with x because x is LCM. Minus 3 into x. Why will take LCM? So that denominator, so we can eliminate our denominator and our equation become easier. X into x square plus 1 is equal to minus 3x. X square when taken the left side, minus 3 becomes positive 3x. Now minus 3x is equal to my positive 1 becomes positive 1 as it is. Positive 3x and positive 1 as it is equal to 0. Now we will apply quadratic formula because there is no factor. Minus b is 3 plus minus under root b square. B is 3 square minus 4. A is 1. C is also 1. 2 into A is 1. Minus 3 plus minus under root 9 minus 4 divided by 2. 3 is 9, 9 minus 4. Minus 3 plus minus under root 5 divided by 2. Now I solve this equation. X by taking LCM, each term is multiplied by x because x is LCM. X is equal to 2 into x. Now x square, x and x cancel, plus 1 is equal to 2x. X square positive 2x become negative 2 plus 1 equal to 0. Now there is no factor, so we'll apply quadratic. Minus b is my negative 2 plus minus under root b square. B is minus 2 minus 4, a is 1 and 4a c is also positive 1. 2 into a is 1. Minus into minus plus 2 plus minus under root 2 2s are 4 minus 4 divided by 2. 2 plus minus 2, 4 minus 4 0. 0. So this will eliminate, 2 by 2 is left. 2 by 2, 2 1 1. So our solution set becomes is equal to minus 3 plus minus under root 5 divided by 2 and 1, which is our required solution.